Guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a spacious 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom house with helpers quarters. It is located in the ultra-exclusive gated community of Tara Estates in Redding, Montego Bay. This well-maintained complex boasts all the modern amenities one could ask for, including a swimming pool, tennis court, gym, and jogging trail, and is approximately 5 minutes from the Fairview Shopping Center, which offers restaurants, retail shopping, business centers, and nightlife entertainment. Contact agent for further information. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The rental price for this house is US 4,200 or Jamaican $646,400 per month. To rent this house, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.